Husqvarna professional chainsaws and their cutting systems are developed side by side to optimize your cutting experience and overall productivity. To get the most out of your chain, it's imperative to choose the one best suited for the job at hand. To help you decide, this is how you should interpret the X-CUT chain's names. The first letter will tell you the chain's cutter profile, whether a chisel or a semi-chisel chain. If there is no second letter, it's a standard chain. A P means it's a pixel chain. The first digit after the letters tells you the pitch size. The bigger the number, the bigger the chain, with the exception of mini chains. Mini chains have low-profile cutters, smaller drive links, and are suitable for smaller chainsaws. The second digit tells you the chain's gauge, meaning the thickness of the lower part of the drive link. Finally, some chains come with added features, such as G for guarded drive link, S for skip tooth chains, or K for square ground, a special grinding profile. Always think twice when choosing your chain. Your choice could be the difference between a troublesome or an excellent day at work.